Pasefika. Talo falava. In this video we will draw a taro plant with colored pencils. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw, paint, and create art. The taro plant is known as Talo or Kalo in Sāmoa and known as Kalo in Hawaiʻi. Begin the outline of the plant with apple green. The greens we will be using for this drawing include apple green, true green, dark green, and olive green. Dark brown will need to be used to begin the outline of the root. The browns we will be using for this drawing include light umber, sienna brown, and dark brown. Sienna brown will be used to help fill in the color of the root. Although light areas of the leaves may contain a light green or yellow-green color, canary yellow was used to provide higher contrast with the other green colors of the leaves. Olive green was used to darken some of the outline and provide value in the shading to the darker areas. Apple green was then used as the color to fill in the leaves. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.